Hey guys, we're coming at you from North County Indian Motorcycles located in San Marcos, California. And today we're looking at a 2018 Harley-Davidson Softail Lowrider. This one is in Bonneville Salt Pearl. And it's beautiful and has a lot of aftermarket stuff. So let's just get to it. We have the S&S exhaust, full system. Rider pegs, S&S rear brake pedal. Intake sounds great. We have the crash protection front and rear. Extremely bright LED headlight. We have the front fairing with nice tall windshield, the shorty levers, and the van's waffle grips. You can see that we run on a fob, so we are keyless. Smoked out lenses on the front turn signals. This bike has ABS as well. There's that protection kit again. And we have the Harley-Davidson #1 derby cover. Select seat, which is extremely comfortable, especially paired with these rider pegs. I really enjoyed riding this thing. And we have the smoked out tail lens. So again, we run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are really low. We're at 6,740. Let's hear the exhaust. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles located in San Marcos, California, and we're open for test rides 6 days a week. Don't wait, this one won't be around long.